एक टीचर ने मुझे मैसेज किया, मैम मैं पूरी क्लास में चिल्लाती रहती हूँ, फिर भी बच्चे सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए चुप होते हैं। और ऑनेस्टली ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ उनकी नहीं, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टीचर्स स्ट्रगल विद क्लासरूम कंट्रोल एवरी सिंगल डे। बट प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होते, प्रॉब्लम होता है सिस्टम।
Empowering the educators of tomorrow. Welcome to Next Gen Teachers Hub, where we help you teach and transform.
Hello teachers, welcome to Next Gen Teachers Hub. Over the years, I have trained many teachers and observed one common thing. Most teachers are taught subjects, but very few are taught classroom systems. And because of that, good teachers start doubting themselves. In this video, I'll show you practical classroom management that actually work in real classroom. Most teachers think अगर मैं स्ट्रिक्ट और लाउड हो जाऊंगी क्लास कंट्रोल हो जाएगी, बट रियलिटी ऑपोजिट होती है। द मोर यू शाउट, द मोर स्टूडेंट्स गेट यूज्ड टू योर वॉइस। आफ्टर सम टाइम योर शाउटिंग बिकम्स बैकग्राउंड नॉइज और फिर टीचर मेंटली एग्जॉस्ट फील करने लगता है। ओल्ड जनरेशन डिसिप्लिन फियर पे बेस्ड था, मॉडर्न क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रक्चर पे बेस्ड होता है। सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक कहाँ होती है? टीचर्स रूल तो बनाते हैं पर रूटीन नहीं बनाते और स्टूडेंट रूल नहीं फॉलो करते, दे फॉलो पैटर्न्स। अ नॉइजी क्लास यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विथ अनक्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस, एम्प्टी ट्रांजिशन टाइम, weak attention signals and inconsistent reactions. Classroom management starts before teaching starts. One of the simplest technique I train teachers to use is whisper technique. Instead of shouting, suddenly lower your voice. Human brains naturally move towards curiosity. Students start focusing because they feel they might miss something important. And once 4-5 students become silent, the rest usually follows. The second strategy, the zero voice reset. Instead of competing with the classroom noise, stop talking completely. Stand confidently, make eye contact. Most teachers panic in silence. Strong teachers use silence strategically. Students eventually notice teachers stopped and attention starts returning naturally. Different classes need different strategies. Primary classes use energy control and visual routines. Middle school use engagement, more discipline. Teenagers never challenge ego publicly. And for highly noisy classrooms, don't expect overnight transformation. Classroom culture is built daily. And these are just 2 techniques. There are many more classroom systems most teachers are never taught during their training. For example, the doorway presence method, where classroom control starts before students even sit down. इस वीडियो में मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही टेक्निक्स कवर किए हैं ताकि ये वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबी ना हो जाए और आप डिसइंटरेस्टेड ना हो जाओ। द काउंटडाउन ट्रांजिशन सिस्टम विच रिड्यूसेस chaos ड्यूरिंग एक्टिविटी शिफ्ट्स. द साइलेंट बोर्ड टेक्निक फॉर अटेंशन रिकवरी विदाउट शाउटिंग. द एंकर स्टूडेंट स्ट्रैटेजी where you influence the entire classroom through 2-3 key students. The proximity control method where movement itself becomes discipline. The pause and look technique, the energy mirror strategy, and the control choice method, which makes students feel independent while still structure. I'll make detailed videos on all these techniques. My mission with Next Gen Teachers Hub is to help teachers build calm, confident, and effective classroom, especially teachers who were never properly trained for real classroom situations. Because teaching is not just about completing syllabus. A teacher can change the emotional environment of an entire classroom. And when classroom improves, students improves too. And this was only part 1 of modern classroom management systems. Comment करिए part 2 if you want advanced classroom management techniques for highly noisy classrooms. If you are a teacher struggling with classroom management, you are not alone, and you do not need to become an angry teacher to become a respected teacher. Subscribe to Next Gen Teachers Hub because here we are building modern teachers for modern classrooms. Comment below what is your biggest classroom management challenge and we'll together sort it out.